See, a triangle and a parallelogram. They are standing on the same base and they are having same area. So you can say this is the triangle, for example, right? And this is the parallelogram, right? A little better, it's not looking better. This is the triangle and this one is the parallelogram. Something like that, the picture will come. This is the figure. This is a parallelogram. Zoom, zoom, zoom. Something like this picture may come. Okay, parallelogram. I like this. Let us try one more time. Triangle. Parallelogram. Okay, both are standing on the same base. They are standing on the same base. Okay. Figure is not compulsory to do. If the side of the triangle is 26, 28 and 30. Side of the triangle is 26, 28 and 30. This is 26, 28 and 30. Correct? The parallelogram stand on the base 28. Or a parallelogram standing on the base water 28 centimeter. Parallelogram is standing on the base 28. So this base we have to write 28 compulsory. Okay. So we will just interchange 28 and 26. Because they said parallelogram is on 26. So parallelogram is on 28. This is 28. This is 26. Right. Now we should find the height of the parallelogram. We should find height of the parallelogram, right? So what they gave, triangle and parallelogram, they have same base and same area. This is the useful word. If you find out the area of triangle, which is nothing but the area of parallelogram. Okay. So let us first find out the area of triangle. For that we need semi-perimeter A plus B plus C by 2. A is how much? A is 30 plus 28 plus 26 by 2. If you add it, how much will get? 30 plus 28, 58, 64, 74, 84 will get divided by 2. Now if you divide, how much will get? How much will get? 2 4s are 2s are. 42 centimeter will get. Correct. Now we will go for the area. Area of triangle equals to root of S of S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. This is the formula. So let us go for next term. Root of S we got 42. A is 42 minus 30. Correct now, Bharat? Then 42 minus 28. Then 42 minus 26. These are the three sides. A, B, C. They gave. I'm not doing by my own, right? Ganesh, this is the third question of the fourth question of the second exercise. Now I can't do because we have to take, it will take time. So we'll get 42 minus 12. 42 minus 28 will get how much? 14. 42 minus 26 will get a 16, I think. Yeah, 16, 30, 40, 16. Exactly 16. So now it is your job how you do, how you like to do that. In that way you can follow. Like I like to do in that way. 14 threes are 42 I will write. Why I will write 14 threes are okay. If you want in totally smallest way, I can do that smallest way. So I will just take 42. See, better is that only. I will write 14 threes are 42. Why I wrote 14 threes are only? Because I know here 14 is there, so I will get a perfect square. Because I have a 14 here, so there is a chances of getting a perfect square with this 14. Correct now? So 14 threes are. That is my plan. Okay. According to us, we can do. However, the 16 will come as 4 square only. Correct now? 16 is a perfect square, so I can write 4 square 16. Right? 16 is a 4 square. We will write. And this we will write as 4 3s are 4 3s are 12. And this is 4 square. Anybody is having doubt can message me. Can message me. So now we will try to write in the form of perfect square. Which are perfect square? This is the 14 I missed to write, so that I will write at the end here. Okay, so this is 14 here and this is 14 here. This is perfect square. Even one more perfect square you can see. This is 3 here, this is 3 here. So these are the two perfect square we have in our hand. So one is 14 square, other is 3 square. Okay, so this is 14 and 3 over. Now this is one more square is there, that is 4 square. And this 4 I can write as 2 square. Is also perfect square, correct? Why 2 square came, Bhargav? 2 square why came? This 2 square came because we have here 4. So 4 can be written as 2 square. This is 14, 14, 14 square, 3, 3, 3 square, and this is what? 4. 4 can be written as 2 square. Correct? Bhargav understood? Anybody else? Okay, Bhumika. Anybody else doubt? This is the answer. 14 square will get 4, 3 will get 4 and 2 and multiply 336. The sum is not yet completed. Let's do it. We need to find out the area, height. We know area of triangle is equals to area of parallelogram, which is equals to 336. So area of triangle and area of parallelogram is equal. They only gave in the question. And now area of parallelogram is equal to half into base. Sorry. Area of parallelogram formula is what? Area of parallelogram formula is what? Anybody know what is the formula for area of parallelogram? Base into height. Area is 336. And they give the parallelogram is standing on what base? The parallelogram is on what base? Parallelogram. Okay, we will see the question. Where is the parallelogram? Yeah, the base is 28. Even I marked a round up. So base is 26, right? Base is 28. Right now, base is what? Aman, 28 into height. So you will get height is equal to 336 by 28. 28 ones are 5, 28 twos are. So what is the height? Height is equal to 12 centimeters. Then this is it. Any doubt? Anybody having any doubt? How much area of the grass field will each cow get? So first what? This is the rhombus. We have done ABCD rhombus. All the sides will be equal in rhombus. Okay, all the sides are 30, 30, 30, 30. Longer diagonal they gave 48. So either you can draw AC diagonal or you can draw BD diagonal and write down 48. Okay, any one diagonal. Now you can see there are two triangles are visible, one triangle and two triangles. By using these two triangles, you can find out how much area is available to each cow. Whatever the area will get, that will be divided by 80. If you find out the area of one triangle will be equal to the area of another triangle, both areas will be equal. Understood? Only one triangle area you find out. So come on, you can do faster than me. So I will find out for ABC first. Okay. So in ABC, S is equal to 30 plus 48 by 2. So you will get S is equal to 60.8 by 2, 2 5s are 4s are. S is equal to 54 meter will get. Okay, now we can find out area by using Heron's formula. So area of triangle ABC is equal to root of formula. You know everyone. So I'm not going to write the formula. 54 of 54 minus 30. Again 54 of minus 30 because two sides are equal. And this is the diagonal 54 of minus 40. So area of triangle ABC 54 into 24 into 24 into 6. This is it. And now already you have a two perfect square. One is 24. Both 24 are available with you. So this you can write 24 square will come compulsory. Okay. You try now. See here. Already we got this 24 into 24. So 24 square we will write into. See this 54 is there now 54. To this 54 I will write 9 6. Now you can ask me the question, why sir 9 6 only? Can you tell me why I wrote 9 6 only? Why not any other? 9 6. See, because here you know 6 is there, and even you know here also you have a 6. This 6 and this 6 will become 6 squares. So that is the reason, yeah. 9 6. This is the 54. Okay. 9 6. Any boys, any girls, anyone doubt? Hope so, no doubt. So if you take out the square, you will get here 24 square, 6 square, and even 3 square. Why 3 square? Because of 9. Because of 9, we can write as 3 square. 3 square is nothing but 9. Understood now, everyone? You can do the calculation in your own way. This is our way. 24 into 6 into 3. So 24 3 are 72. Okay, 12. 72 into 6, 6 to the 12, 432. 432 centimeter square or meter square is the area of one triangle. So area of quadrilateral, area of rhombus you can find out. Area of rhombus is equal to 432 plus 432. Why 2 times you will do 432? And you will get 864 because the area of both the triangle is same. Area of both the triangle is same. Okay. Understood? Area of both the triangle is equal. Pavni, what happened? Pavni? What Pavni? Area of both the triangle is equal. Area. What happened? Why Pavni? What saying? Pavni? Yes, Pavni. Where is Pavni? Ah, yeah, Pavni. Pavni, what happened? What is the doubt? Pavni, what is the doubt? How much we'll get? See, first here area of rhombus, we got area of rhombus by adding 432 plus 432. Why 432 plus 432? Because both the triangle have equal area. Both the triangles have equal area. You can see the diagonal of a rhombus will divide the two triangles in equal area. What you will write the reason? What you write? No, Vijay, no, not yet. It's very big, so we will do it last. Why we will do 432 plus 432? Because you write the reason. Diagonal of a rhombus divides the rhombus into two equal triangles of equal areas. Okay. And after adding, then you should divide by 18 because how much we wanted to find out how much each curve will get the area. Divided by 18. That's your answer. Umbrella. See, here the question is what? Umbrella is made by stitching 10. How many triangular pieces? 10 triangular pieces. Umbrella is made by stitching 10 small pieces. We have 10 triangular. So like that you can see here. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, like that. 10 pieces we have. Okay. On your screen they are shown only 4. 2 different color. I showed with 2 different, one blue and one yellow, right? 2 different colors. Each piece having in the form of triangle shape. Each piece is triangle shape and the side is 20, 50 and 50. So this is, for example, one piece. If I talk about one piece, then this is 20 and this is 50 and 50. And all the pieces are same. Okay, all the pieces are same. So let us find out area. Simple area. So let us write down S is equal to 50 plus 20. 120 by 2 will get 260. 60 meter, 60 centimeter. Okay, 60 centimeter. 60 centimeter. Very good, Payal. Let's see. Now we should find out the area. Area of each piece is equal to S of S minus S. So 60 of 60 minus 50. 60 minus 50. 60 minus 20. A, B, C, 3 are there. A, B, C. Correct? So root of 60, 10, 10, 40. So now I can write here, you can see these are the two perfect square. These are two perfect square, 10 and 10, correct? So this without delaying, I will write 10 square. Without delay, I will write this as a 10 square. Now I want to write 40 and 60. How? Let us see. I can write this as 23s. You understanding? 23s I will write. 20 into 3. And this I will write as what? See, this I will write as. Can you tell me what I should write for 40? Can you tell me? Okay, very good, Bhumika. Very good. Can you tell me for 40 what I should split it? Anybody can tell me who is concentrating, they will say. How you will split to 40 by seeing 23s are very good, Shashank. You are doing very well, man. I am sure you will do something in your life. Pakka. Very good, fire. So this I will do as 20 into 2. Why? Because already I have taken 23s. Now you can see this is 20 and this also 20. Correct? Perfect square. So now what I will take this one. 10 square, 20 square, 3 2s are 6. So 10 into 20 will come out, root 6 will be inside. We will get 200 root 6. This is the area of each piece. This is what the area of each piece, correct? Aman, now it's clear, I think. This is the area of each piece, area of each piece. Area of each piece. I want what, you know, they asked about what? They're asking about how much area of each color is required. Area of each color. Aman? Area of